It is so easy to make ice cream at home. Let's make this delicious strawberry ice cream from scratch. First, you're gonna blend your condensed milk, vanilla extract, and evaporated milk in a blender. Next, add your strawberry pie filling, mash it up, and mix it in with your milk mixture. Pour everything into a Tupperware container or any freezer-safe container. Place it in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. Once your ice cream is nice and firm, grab your ice cream scooper and then get as many scoops as you want. Fill it up in a bowl. We're gonna garnish with some fresh strawberry and some mint as well over the top. And trust me, shawty, this tastes better than anything you can get out of a box or stand in line for. For a recipe is on my site, UncleDibbz.com.